Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Taurus. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Taurus, if you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Taurus. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So if you have any confusion or if you want some answers in your circumstances, you can watch that reading, guys. That may give you clarity, Taurus. So let's see what are these cards first. For your general energies, guys, we have 7 of Cups in reverse, 7 of Wands, and 3 of Pentacles in reverse. So in your circumstances today, guys, Taurus, in your work or in your relationship, you are someone with a lot of skills and talents, and today you are using your skills, talents to gain something good in your career, guys, or it may be in your personal life. You are making a lot of efforts trying to stand above others in your life, in your career, working hard, doing your best, using your skills and talents efficiently, and doing it with devotion and dedication. And that may be the reason in your work situation, guys, or even in your relationship. Your honest intentions are what is putting you in a very good position, advantageous position in life to gain success or lucrative returns in your future. So some kind of a positive manifestation. So things are moving positively. So though you are working really hard, trying to do your best, you are someone who is really a strong willed person, guys, Taurus. You have a lot of determination and you want to succeed today, trying your best, working hard. And that may be the reason you are seeing a great change in your situation, guys. So whatever troubles you may be seeing, Taurus, even in this relationship with this person you love, maybe they may have some addictions, or they are sick, or you both may have some misunderstanding. But whatever troubles you are facing today in this relationship, guys, your determination and patience, perseverance is what is holding you, keeping you grounded, keeping you practical in these difficult times. And though this person may be arguing with you on certain things, they cannot do without you, guys. They simply love you and they find you as a good friend. And maybe there may be some differences you both have, and whatever it is, they want to make it work. They want to see things go in the right way between you both, because they are in love with you, guys. That is the reason they are not ready to give you up for any reason. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So maybe it is a destined connection, karmic connection. That may be the reason we see this level of commitment and connection with that other person. So you feel that you are in depth in love with them and you cannot do without them in your life, or this may be their energy towards you guys. So it may be a karmic connection, or for some of you it may even be a twin flame and soulmate. So maybe certain things are not working out between you both, but you still want to give it a chance, give it a try, guys, Taurus. So for your career situation, Taurus, we have Knight of Swords in reverse. So you are someone who wants to try everything, do your best. So even in your career situation, you are doing it, guys. And maybe you may see yourself facing a lot of competition in your career. So there are other businesses or people who are trying to grab your opportunities and your offers. So you must be really attentive in your career situation, guys, Taurus. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So we will keep this card aside. Please like and comment, guys, if you like this reading. So we will see what is the card, the first card for you all. It's Snow White and it says purity. I hope you can see the card here, guys. Yeah. So with this card, it just means that you are a very honest person, guys, pure soul. Maybe in your circumstances you have seen worse circumstances with people behaving in a bad way, people with evil intentions, but all that bad intentions or worse kind of behavior has not corrupted you at all, and your beautiful character nature is going to shine through this time, guys. Maybe you are in some difficult situation, people are trying to create a lot of obstacles or lot of stressful situation for you guys. They are trying to create problems for you, and they are jealous and they are rejecting you, and whatever is possible for them, they are doing all that. But you are someone who is a pure soul, you are a good soul, and you are just smiling looking at your circumstances, and nothing is making an impact on you to change towards some negative things, like you don't want to retaliate to them in any way. So your kindness and your good nature, your pure heart is going to shine out today, guys, and this kindness and pure heart is what is giving you success today, guys. So whatever evil is upon you, it has not made it to your heart, and you are going to be triumphant today. You are going to win. Your good nature, your pure heart is going to win today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let us see what is the second card. So for those who chose the second card, it is yin. So with this card, it just means that in your situation today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, it is the time for you to let the other person make the first move. So conscious are loving. So that is what this card means. Maybe letting the other person do what they need to do today, and you just need to wait and see where things are going. So in your relationship, you need to let the other person take the lead now. So your power lies in awareness that you are letting them do it, letting them, you're giving them the reins, yielding your reins. So you will find yourself effortlessly moving closer to what you truly desire, guys, what you truly want. So you need to let that other person tell you what they truly feel about you and who they can be to you, and letting their actions speak for themselves. So when you do that, you will be surprised, guys. It will be something which you love, but all you are doing is you are making that other person do it. So that way your dreams are going to manifest, and actions and what to say is flowing from the other person. So that is what this card is about, guys. So you are the person receiving whatever this other person is giving today, guys, to you. So that is what this card means. You just need to let that person give to you. Maybe not always we need to make the first move, we need to decide on certain things and do certain things. Sometimes we must let that other person make the move and take that action, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.